Hello everyone, this is Nagesh Hange. Welcome to my channel Think Grow in India. So in that channel you will get the information regarding the case studies of various organizations, how they use the strategies and how to multiply their business by using the strategies. So book summaries regarding the book summaries of various good books. You will get the summaries on in this channel. So with me. So we all live in a digital era. So in that digital era, we'll get a lot of notification pop up daily, and say our mind is get disturbed, and we somewhere we lost we lost that. Habit of reading. So we come to the digital platform, Kindle. I'm not against the Kindle or but it's not a, I think it's not a safe good habit to read a books. So I'm going to share you some tricks to how to read a books and how to choose a books, and how to take a precaution while reading the books. So when going to, let's start with the books. So if you are a beginner and if you have questions, how can I start a book? Every beginner get a question in their mind. So how to start a read a book? So in that you can use a technique. There's a technique called as Pomodoro. Pomodoro is a tomato shaped watch. So we'll get a reminder in that. It's a Pomodoro technique. So in that Pomodoro technique, just just read a 25 minutes book. Read whatever you want to choose a book, and read up to the 25 minutes, and then take a 5 minutes break. And what precaution has taken in the 5 minutes? Don't scroll on the social media, don't scroll on WhatsApp, don't talk for anyone on phone calls. Just have a relax, have a cup of coffee, cup of tea, whatever, or have a glass of water. Then after the 5 minutes you can read a books again 25 minutes, and then take a 5 minutes break. It means in a 1 hour, it's 60 minutes. You read a 50 minutes and take a 10 minutes break. So when you by using this technique, so you can increase your productivity of reading. So this is the methods, and there are various methods you can use. Like you can the morning, you can make a schedule in the morning, and this is a calm peace, and you can read the book. So what precaution has to be taken while reading or choosing books? So we start with the choosing books. So we live in a social media, so we get a very notification pop up from Amazon, Flipkart, say, are 70% off on this book, 60% off on this, 90% off on these books. But these are the really, and we purchase randomly. We purchase 10 books, 12 books, and we post it on the social media and WhatsApp. I have read the books. It's not, but we just show up. We just show up to the world. But we are not reading. We hardly read two chapters or two chapters. Then we keep that book with the cupboard and they play with the dust in the cupboard. So how to choose a book? So if you are suppose if you are a commerce students and finance students, and someone has come, are these biology books are very awesome, you get a 90% off on that. So you have to purchase. But is that really worth for you, purchasing a biology book for a commerce student? No, not. So it will waste your time by scrolling. In the Amazon giving the 90%, and Flipkart is giving 95%. So I can save my 5% more. So I can purchase from the Flipkart. So I'm not advertising any Flipkart here. So we're going to purchase and waste your time. So before that, choosing book, find your purpose. Why I am going to read this book? Suppose you have a problems. Suppose you have a problems so difficult to manage your time, or you have a top problems to how to schedule your work. So time management. So you can go to the Google. We can type the time management books, and in that books, just carry your one pen and one blank page. Carry pen and diary with you. So in that diary, you can write down the books and this author name, and read the articles regarding the book. Suppose you choose any books, like this is Brian Tracy's book. This is good book in that from. So read about the articles about the Brian Tracy's book, and then move to the YouTube. So see the videos about the Brian Tracy's book. So how just talk about the talk. He given the talk regarding the Eat That Frog, and what why its purpose of this is like it will generate a curiosity within you. So once you generate the curiosity, no one can stop you to finish the book. This is a simple technique. Or this is the way to you can this is the way you can select the book. So while this is a selection process, which is selected book. So and then next process is to selection book is that select a book according. So don't jump to the big page. Like there is one book I have. This is James Clear book, Atomic Habit. It's almost 306. It's a 300 pages book. So if you choose a big book while first time, so they will get with mind will get tired, or I'm not going to finish that book. It's not possible to me. So choose a small books like this is Sun Tzu, The Art of War. Yeah, I have chosen. This is almost 100 pages. Almost is 100 pages book. It's almost like then Kaizen Way, a small book, pocket book. Then 1 Minute Manager. You can choose like this is small books if you are a beginner, and then you jump to the big books. Then we have to first we have to this is the way, and we have to say, bifurcate our work into small pieces. Like if you are choose a 100 book pages, 100 pages book. Then after 10 minutes, just put one cheat pad and that. So after 10 pages, I will take a small break, and after 10 pages or so, this is the way you can finish once you get a habitual. So while this is the we learn the techniques how to choose book, choose, then how to read a books. Many people who do the same mistakes while they're reading the books. So the best way to read a books, always carry one pencil. This is the pencil, and this is book. So while we reading books, if you think anything is important, we can underline with the pencils, or we can write here. Like here you can write the notes. So we'll next time we'll when we the second time we read the book, that time we'll easy to recall the book in the whole. It is hardly takes 15 minutes to 15 to 20 minutes to read whole books with the summaries. We will get easy to understand. So this is the way to choose a book, and why to take some precautions while reading the books. And on this with these channels, I'm going to share you various book summaries like One Page Marketing, Who Moved My Cheese, this is Eat That Frog, Art of War, 1 Minute Manager, Kaizen Way, and the Lean Startup, and various books on the marketing, self-development, self-personality books. I'm going to share you, and every week I'm going to share you with the summary of one books. So I don't know knowledge. So this is the techniques. We can also learn from the Bollywood. That's how they make an interest in the movie to you. This first they release a teaser, then they release the trailer, and then after it will once you saw the trailer, it will create the curiosity within you, and then we went to the theater and see the movie. This is the way you can read the books. First we can search on Google, and we read reviews about that. We saw the talks of that author on the YouTube, and then it will create once you create a curiosity within you, you can finish whole the books. This is the way you can read books, and direct don't jump to the big books. Start with the small books. So and every episode I'm going to share with such knowledge with you. Always, knowledge is the best investment. So it will always give a compound effect. It will always grow. It's not doing degrow to you. So that this is the first episode. So please subscribe our channel. It will take hardly 2 to 5 seconds to press the bell icon and subscribe channel. We'll get the update on your notifications, and you can freely increase our knowledge through with me. So if you have any suggestion regarding book, in the next we can put the suggestion in the comment section. I will definitely see that and will go personally going to reply on that comment section, and I will try to bring that book in our platform in the next next episodes. Thank you so much for your love. Please do subscribe and be a Think Grow India family part of.